What else can you do to increase the chance of you finding the girl of your dream, or maybe a lot of girls, like 10 girls?
Bạn còn phải làm gì
Clock
để
in! Fuck! What do you have to do? More quan hệ? Holy shit!
Chân thành.
More relationship. Oh my god.
Hey Tom, it's the one and only Floyd Money Mayweather. First I want to say congratulations on your YouTube channel. Everybody needs to follow your YouTube channel. So what everyone needs to do is subscribe to Tom Peng. Great guy, great person. Tom, keep up the great work.
Number 3, most important lesson in sales. Number 3, write this down. Sales is a numbers game. Sales is a numbers game, and that is the 3rd most important lesson in sales. In fact, not just sales. Everything we do in life is a numbers game. Maybe finding a job, maybe looking for an employee, maybe finding girlfriend, boyfriend, maybe finding husband and wife, maybe finding multiple girlfriends, maybe finding multiple wives. All number game, okay? Or maybe learning to play the piano, or the guitar, or sing well, or learning a new language.
hoặc là học một ngôn ngữ mới.
All number game. Let me explain. If you're looking for a job, right? I know recently you've been looking for a job, right? And of course you gotta have skills, you gotta have experience, you gotta have a good CV. When you go to interview, you gotta look good. You gotta speak like a professional, right? Don't go there and say fucking shit.
Đừng có đi phỏng vấn mà vô chữ thề đờ mờ.
Do my demo. Then no, you can't get hired. You cannot get the job. So other than that, what do you have to do to get the job of your dream? Apply more. Apply more. Okay. B1, $500, right? So what we have to do is we gotta send more resumes, apply to more jobs, right? Go to more interviews. Make sense? That you increase the chance of you finding a job. Is every company going to hire you? No. You know that very well. So the more resumes we send, the more likely we can find a job. Okay. Now, finding girlfriend, boyfriend. Okay, I'm talking to the boys here. I'm talking to the boys, right? If you're looking for a girlfriend, right? And right? And maybe you're looking for the girl of your dream, or a lot of girls. I don't know what you want. Actually, which one you want? Oh, you want 10? You want 10. You want 10 girlfriends. Okay, that's all right. It's okay. Everybody's different, okay? Everybody's different. Okay, some people like quality, some people like quantity. Okay. But of course, if you want to find girlfriend, gotta dress well, like take shower, maybe put on some perfume, maybe shave, or maybe grow some hair, right? You gotta talk eloquently. Don't go to a date and say fucking shit, unless you're me, because I always say fucking shit, right? So, other than that, right? What else can you do to increase the chance of you finding the girl of your dream, or maybe a lot of girls, like 10 girls?
Bạn còn phải làm gì
Clock
để
in! Fuck!
bạn còn phải làm gì?
$500.
Rồi, chưa gì A3 nhảy vô nó có tiền A3 500 luôn. Thì
Other than that,
ngoài những điều đó ra, bạn
what
còn
else can
phải
you do?
làm gì?
It helps. It helps. Yeah, fuck me. Yeah, that too. Yeah, but what else? Yeah. You gotta be smart. You gotta be handsome. You gotta shave. You gotta have money. What do you have to? What do you have to do? More quan hệ? Holy shit!
Chân thành.
More relationship. Oh my god. Can I get your phone number? What?
Good invest.
Đà Nẵng tìm hiểu về cô ấy.
Good invest and spend for long time.
Gặp nhiều cô gái.
That's later. They don't know that.
Hà Nội có describe.
Hanoi say what?
Date more.
Date more, right? Hanoi $500. The right answer is you gotta maybe go to Tinder, swipe more. Maybe ask more girls out for coffee. Maybe create more situation, to talk to the girl. And maybe more girls, not just one. Because is every girl going to say yes to you? No. You know that, you're honest. Sometimes when I ask that question and the guy's like, yeah, sure, right? But the answer is no, right? The answer is that more times you get rejection. Even if the girl like you, they still reject you because they need to look proper. Not easy, okay? Sometimes you just have to ask them like 20 times and then they say yes. And that's my style. I just ask 20 times and then I never give up. That's why I'm in sales. I get anyone I want.
Tôi sẽ có được bất cứ ai mà tôi mong muốn.
I mean, I close every deal. I can close deal. Okay, so you know what I mean, right? You want to find the girlfriend of your dreams or a lot of girls, you gotta ask more girls. You gotta play the numbers game. Let's talk about girls. Girls. Right?
Tôi đang nói đến các bạn nữ ở đây nè.
Right, the girls, right? You want to find your Prince Charming, or maybe many boys. I don't know. But let me ask you, like, you want to find one Prince Charming or many boys? Which one you want?
All. Everyone all.
I love this group.
Tôi thích cái nhóm này.
Tất cả, there's many here, you know, like, anybody still single?
Ở đây có ai còn độc thân không, giơ tay cho bạn.
Right, so, tất cả?
All.
Did she understand my question?
Yes.
You want tất cả? Everybody, after the training, what's your name again?
Hiền.
Hiền.
Yes.
T-I-E-N.
T-H-I-E-N.
T-H-I-E-N. Miss Tien. Mr. Tien is available to give out the yellow, okay? Okay, right? But that's right. You gotta be in more social situations so that boys can find you. That's why girls go to nightclubs. They're creating social situations. Sometimes you have beautiful girls going to the Canadian Chamber of Commerce. They're looking for rich foreigners, all right? You gotta be in the right place. Make yourself available. That's the truth. If you stay at home every day, you're not gonna find a boyfriend.
Nếu như ngày nào bạn cùng ở nhà thì bạn sẽ không có bạn trai đâu.
Social situations. So usually the girl doesn't say taka because Vietnam is still somewhat versus conservative and traditional, right? Not true. Not true. Nowadays anything goes, right? But like for example in Vietnam you cannot do PDAs, public display of affection. People look at you like, right? So usually the girl cannot say taka, right? They have to be more like no.
Họ sẽ phải e dè nhiều hơn không? Không.
Right? They have to be like that, right?
Họ phải như vậy nhiều
yes,
hơn.
No. Yes, and the boys have to chase. The boys like, yes, come on. And the girls like, no. Yes? You gotta play that game, right? Yes, no? Yes. Okay. So that's why boys are like sales and girls are like customer. Salespeople need to chase. You need to chase the customer. But the customer's not sure.
Nhưng khách hàng họ vẫn không chắc chắn.
I need to think about it. Customer need to think about it. Have you ever considered why? Have you ever considered why that is? Why the boy role and the girl role is like sales and customer? And why is it like that?
Tại vì là bạn nữ là bạn đó phải đi so sánh với các bạn trai với nhau là xem bạn trai nào là chất lượng nhất và có lợi nhất cho họ.
Okay, that's a good answer. A1, right? A1, $500. That's right. So customers have money, but they don't have infinite money. They have limited money. So when they give their money to sales, they have to pick the right company, right sale. They want to give the money to the sales that will support them, that will be there for them. Just like girls, because girls only have one womb. They only have one womb to put the baby inside. They have to pick the right guy to put the baby inside. They don't want to find a trap boy and put a baby inside. That's a disaster. Agree? Yes. Yeah, no trap boy. Okay? From the girl's perspective, I know you want to put baby in 10 girls, right? He says yes. Right? Whatever, right? Yeah, okay. Everybody understand me? Yes. Okay, so salespeople are like boys. We gotta go chase customers. Not every customer is gonna say yes. Just like not every girl is gonna say yes, right? Yes, right? Right. So they're gonna say no. Okay. And the boys need to chase. The salespeople need to chase. Not every customer is gonna say yes.